What is up, everybody, and welcome to my new channel. To tell you a little bit about my quick self, I am a photographer by trade. That's what I do full time. I absolutely love it. But a few years back, I took a class on makeup artistry because I didn't know any makeup artists, and every time I do photo shoots with people would be coming in with like busted up makeup looks, and I'd be like, look, like how can I help these people? And I didn't know how to help them, so I took a class. I got certified in makeup artistry and have really enjoyed it just for myself ever since then. So I just do makeup for myself for the most part. Every now and then I'll do it on someone, but it's like extremely rare. And it's just something that I enjoy doing, just for kicks and giggles. It's just fun for me to do. So instead of just boring you guys with this little story, I thought I'd just kind of give you guys a little recap, let you guys know who I am, and then from there kind of let you know the direction of this channel. I'd like to come to you guys at least once a week with a brand new makeup look. I am someone who loves music videos. I am someone who loves vintage glam and all that kind of stuff. So I just want to just show you guys how to do different looks, things of that sort. I'm no means like some sort of like beauty influencer who tries all this stuff. I try and keep it as holistic as possible and as simplistic as possible. So this first look that I wanted to try out for the beginning of this channel was, of course, a music video makeup look, and it is a look that is just iconic, and I'm sure you guys have all seen it, but it is the Whitney Houston I Want to Dance with Somebody music video makeup look. She just, gosh, she looks so beautiful, so cute, so just, it's colorful, it's perfect for the summertime. It's really just, honestly, if you've got the guts to wear it, it's good for just any time. It's just so pretty and it's so subtle and it looks amazing on her. And so I just want to try to recreate it for myself. I haven't done it before, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first step that I always do whenever I do makeup is I prime my eyelids. I use the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Primer. I'm going to start off with the eyes and then move into doing the rest of my face. So now that we have the primer on, we are going to go in with a pink tone as well as a yellow tone, because the tone that you see around her eyelid is kind of a combination of like a yellowy pinky kind of vibe. So I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going to use this yellow tone and just put that in my crease and leave that a little bit above. Next color that we are going to go in with is going to be from the Morphe multicolor kind of palette. I'm going to go in with this pink tone and do the same thing and do the crease area. To give you guys a little bit more insight about this video and this song, this was actually Whitney Houston's first single from her second album. The song itself, it debuted on May 2nd, 1987. When the song actually debuted, it did not debut as #1 at all, actually. It debuted on the charts, on the Billboard charts, at number 38. And to even my surprise, 38 was actually her highest debuting single at the moment. It did not, however, take very long for it to rise to the top. Actually, just a mere 6 weeks later, it actually ended up rising to #1 on the charts. For me, the song was definitely listened to a lot in my childhood. So, I don't know, I've always enjoyed it. Once I saw the music video for the first time, I was definitely obsessed with it. It is just so cute, and she looks so good, and it's just so sweet, and it's so sweet. And it's so positive. I don't know. I love it. Now that my foundation is on, I'm going to go in with a little bit of slight contouring. I tried to do some research as to when it was that the actual video itself was released, but unfortunately I couldn't find that information. I was able to find that the video itself was actually directed by Brian Grant, and it was choreographed by Arlene Phillips. The video itself has a incredibly feel-good feeling. The music video itself begins with her just opening up the stage and she's sitting there singing. Oh my god, everything is in black and white. She just finishes her concert, so she starts walking off the stage. And then throughout the video itself, it also just kind of showcases her both in black and white, and then it also showcases her with color and that like iconic purple leotard. Oh! It is so adorable. I wasn't born in the 80s. I was born in the 90s. So the song was definitely around, but I'm sure it passed its time by the time I was actually born. But it is just a very iconic feel-good song. I know I've already said that it's feel-good, and you guys already know that it's a feel-good song, but I just feel like I have to say it again and again because every time I listen to it, I just get so excited. It's so beautiful. And it's something that most women can relate to, you know, everyone wants to dance. They want to feel the heat. I'm gonna go in with my mascara next. And then on the lips, they are just so colorful and I love it. They're like this light pink and it has like a beautiful shimmer on top. So I'm gonna go in with my BhCosmetics. I don't know what color this is, but I'm gonna see if I can find it and put that on my lips first. After it dries off, I am going to just put my lip gloss on my hand first and then from there apply it with my finger. I'm someone who does not enjoy having my wand be put on my lipsticks and the wand itself gets like messed up. So I don't know. And I'm going in with the House Laboratories liquid lip gloss, I guess. And I'm putting it with the color Corset. Sums up the look of this music video, this super fun 80s feel-good music video. As of now, it has 181 million views, and I just can't even imagine how many more it would have if it would have actually dropped in the 80s. But of course, the internet and YouTube was not around. But if it was, it's such an iconic music video. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got a few little facts. I wish I had a few more, but it was kind of hard to find that information. We will be back again soon. I plan on dropping my makeup videos on Mondays. Makeup Mondays, it only fits. And we'll just go over different music video, makeup looks and vibes and all that kind of stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I will link everything that I used down below and give you guys kind of a description of everything. So if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to check out the below part or ask me. But thank you guys again for watching, and we'll be back next Monday with another video for you guys. Thanks.